Converting our van into a sustainable home, part 2. In the last video we had finished our ventilation fans and started cutting out holes for our windows. This was a pretty straightforward job, though I will admit that we had a couple of leaks and I had to get a professional to fix it. The next big stage was to insulate our van. We chose hemp because it's a superior insulation material, more sustainable, and it stores carbon, which is pretty cool. We stuffed hemp in lots of different corners, realized that we couldn't put it everywhere because we needed to allow moisture to drain off, undid our mistakes and continued working on the floor battening, which will hold the insulation in place. Now it was time to turn our van into a little spaceship. We started with a vapor barrier which acts like a second skin to our van. We made sure to use all of the little pieces of Therma Wrap to reduce waste and spent about a week doing this because we had to be really thorough. This was a really important step to protect our hemp insulation and make it last as long as possible. After finishing that first layer, we finally decided to remove our bulkhead and fitted a water tank which holds about 100 litres in total. Now it was time to insulate our floor. This was a much less time-consuming job because it was a lot easier to cut the Therma Wrap into shape, and we also had a friend helping us. We stapled another layer of Therma Wrap onto the battening to protect the hemp and then put our subfloor in. For this, we just reused the same plywood that our van came with. We attached more framing and battening to the walls and ceiling to hold the insulation in place, and then had to do the same thing all over again. We added more battening for extra security and to prepare for our cladding, and that's it, our van is fully insulated. In the next episode, we'll show you how we did our solar panels and electrics.